So, if you're a beginner and you want to learn coding, this is the perfect website for you. It is called edx.org and it's completely free. This is Harvard's Introduction to Computer Science for Beginners, and you can learn a thing or two about coding. So it's actually very, very simple. Now, I won't walk you through every single detail because, of course, as a student and as a beginner, that is on you to learn from this website, which I'm just going to show you around with. Yeah, that is on you to learn on how to, actually code and learn the languages or whatever you want to learn. So, what you're going to want to do is tap on that Earn Certificate button, and it's going to start in a few weeks or in 2 weeks. And basically, this course will help you from beginner to a master. And all it takes is just proper hard work and, patience. As you can see, you don't need prior experience. It's also, self paced. You can progress at your own speed. It's 6 to 18 hours per week, which is not a lot. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to be too overwhelmed, this is really, really perfect for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is called edx.org and you will learn everything from here. So I won't go into too much detail because this is on you to learn as a beginner. And yeah, just go to the website, earn your certificate, and you're good to go. So that is the easiest way to learn as a beginner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.